Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe
thunderstorm!
Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, east central Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, northern Champaign County in southern New Jersey, southeastern 8:27 p.m.
What?
The thunderstorm was located over Woodbine, or 9 miles west of Ocean City, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intent, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations of
What?
North Republic, Mystic
Severe thunderstorm?
Hastings Point, Seagull, Waiting, Corbin City,
Oh wait, that's WCHR. That's WCHR. WCHR.
Egg Harbor City, Dunnesville, and Strathmere. This includes the following highways: Burlington State Parkway between mile markers 10 and 69.
This is WXM60, I believe.
Expressway between mile marker 0 and 18. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued from 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Atlantic, Burlington, Cape May, Cumberland, and Ocean. Northwest 15 to 20 miles per hour after midnight.
SVR.